friends, welcome to another exciting episode of Dabbling with Dan. Today Dan is dabbling in replacing the fog lamps on a 2004 Ford F-150. But before we move any further, don't forget over there in that corner there's a little subscribe button. Give it a push. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, that'd be great too. I went ahead and purchased these fog lamps from Rock Auto, and two of them cost $72.81. So they're pretty affordable. But let me go ahead and kind of show you why I'm replacing them, because they look terrible. I guess over time something's happened. I think over time, you know, these, I think it's either parts of it have broken off in there, and the reflective part has faded out. So the driver's side is the worst. We come over here and take a look at the passenger side. It's not as bad, but if you're gonna replace one, you might as well replace both of them. So that's what we're gonna go ahead and do today. If we take a look over on the inside, I don't know whether or not I'm gonna have to take the front tire off for this, or be able to get up in here. But all of this is the bracket that holds that on. So I don't know if I got to just replace the bracket. Looks like there's some screws at the bottom. Maybe two at the top. Get that bracket out. So that's what this video is about. Show you how to do it if you have to. But before we do, let's go ahead and open up this box and see what the new ones look like. I don't know if these came with bulbs or without bulbs. I'm not quite sure if it came with bulbs, brackets. Let's see. That price was pretty affordable. Boxes and boxes. Okay, this is the part number. Driver and a passenger side. Let's see. So let's see. This should say. Let's see. Replacement lens. I don't know if it's right or left. Alright, this looks like the driver's side, which is good. Looks like the whole bracket and the bulb came with this. Oh, that's great. Oh yeah, so apparently what that was part of maybe a heat shield. But boy, that looks really good. All right, not bad. That will be a very nice improvement. Boy, it's a lot bigger than I thought it would be. Okay. Well, it looks like this bracket has 3 places for bolts. So I'd imagine that's what we need to do, is remove those. And I think this is how you adjust them. Like here, right here. I'm not sure. Never done this before, but that does look a whole lot nicer. All right, let's go ahead and tear into it, and let's go ahead and replace these. See how long it takes. Very nice. Now, I'm going to focus on this bottom one, because this right here is one of the bolts that need to be taken out, and that's an 8mm. pretty easy to come out. Alright, so there's one. Now, the challenging is trying to get you guys to where you can see this. Let me put it on pause. Camera up a little bit higher so you can kind of see the two bolts. Here's one. Here's the other one. So this is not going to be very graceful, but I'm going to try to reach up under here and remove those. Oh, that came out pretty nice. Let's see if this other one does. Well, that is a surprise. These are very easy to get out, even after 20 plus years of driving. Voila. Okay. That, like, I didn't have to take the tire off. Now, there is an electrical connection right there. And I think all that needs to be done is pull that out and then pull it down. Looks like the wire is connected. Let's see if we can just give that a tug. I got this electrical connection disconnected, and I pulled it out of that backing plate. Let's pull this out. Oh, look at that. All right. Oh, look at the difference between those two. All right, so this will be a very nice improvement. Guys and gals, I'm just going to go ahead and put this thing right back in. Now, again, I ordered this with the bracket and a new bulb. As I put this in, I just want to be careful that I don't scuff the lens. Let's get some things out of the way. Alright, I'm going to, while I'm here, I'm going to put that bottom bolt in so it doesn't fall out. Oh, wow, that looks really good. All right, so all I'm going to do is put those 3 bolts back in, connect that electrical, and let's see what this thing looks like. Can't see. Doing this all by feel. Nice improvement. All right, I'm going to go ahead and just take my 8mm and tighten them down. Bottom, let's do the top. I'm not over torquing it, I'm just so you don't have to take the tires off. All right, now, where is my electrical wire? All right, kind of see it down here, right? I'm just gonna go ahead and plug that in. And there we go. Nice. All right, so here's a comparison. Before, after. Let's go do that side and get this job done. Go ahead and turn the lights off and see what it looks like. Oh yes, that looks really nice. It looks clean. All right, perfect. Well, this job took about 30 minutes to complete. And it was pretty darn easy. Before I throw those lights away, I'm going to go ahead and take those light bulbs out because they're still working. And you never know, you might need one of these later on. You just want to be really careful not to touch that bulb with your fingers because your oil in your hand will cause an issue. I've got some plastic containers I can put that in. There's one. And let's take that one out. Okay. You never know. Those ones could burn out tomorrow. Again, thanks for joining me. If you like this video, don't forget over in that corner to the little subscribe button, give it a push. Give it a thumbs up, leave a comment if you like. Again, let's check these out.